Silk, silk, silk.
What cold drink?
Milk.
Alright, why you say cold drink milk? Wagwan Arena Nation, welcome and welcome back. Yeah, me know somebody did missing action and all of them way, but right now, as you can see the scenery with downtown Montego Bay, St. James, I will just go ask people them some tricky question. You understand? So, what you say, y'all come or y'all go out? Okay, so what's your name?
Tyrone someone.
My name is Grace from Obey.
Yeah, Adrian. Jordan.
Alright, what's your name?
Bentrice. Brianna.
Danisha. Alright, state your name.
Ocean.
Name.
Kimona Green.
Michelle Thomas.
Chrissy.
Alright, so I'm going to ask you some Jamaican riddles in, so you just forget them. Alright, so if you have 10 birds on a limb, if you shoot off one, how much left?
10. Supposed to 9.
9 is left back on the limb, you sure?
10 and 1 shoot. 9.
9.
9.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
No.
You have 10 bird on limb, I shoot one.
Yeah.
9 bird left on limb.
You sure say 9 bird go left back on the limb?
9 bird go left on.
Ten go left because when you shoot off one, he go still know if you fly when he drop.
How much left?
All of them go fly off, you know.
Alright. You sure? You sure?
Yeah.
Much bird? If 10 bird upon a limb, I shoot one, how much left?
No man, I go left. I want to shoot one, everyone else go fly.
Fly off, yeah. Alright.
Me have 10 bird pan a limb, I'ma shoot one.
Yeah.
Me no know.
How much left on the limb?
None.
Why you say none?
Because you shoot one, you might drop a ground, you not go step on the limb, the rest I go fly.
Me no know.
Yeah, just do the maths, man.
Me have 10 bird pan a limb, I'ma shoot one. How much go left?
Yeah.
Me no know if none go left. Me no know.
Alright. How much you say left?
Me think
Hold on, man.
9. If it's a 9 fall upon. Wait, 9.
10.
10.
Bird upon a limb. One get shot. How much left?
One get shot.
How much left on the limb?
Maybe I see him 10 because you can shot him, you know, but he not half dead.
On the limb.
None.
Repeat.
None.
On one limb. So much bird can hold on one limb. You sure about that?
Yeah.
So I still 10 if I shot him in, I might drop off.
Alright, guess what now? I can't 9 bird left back on the limb. If you shoot one bird off of the limb, all of them go fly. None of them not go left because they go fly away. If you shot one of the bird, the rest of them go fly gone. Oh. You understand? They now go still sit on the like mannequin. Spell the word silk. You know silk as in the material silk?
S-I-L-K. S-I-L-K.
S-I-L-K.
S-L-I-K also?
Spell the word silk, like the material.
Hey, me no remember spell silk, you know.
Really, nigga?
S-I-L-K.
S-I-L-K.
S-I-L-K. S-I-L-K.
Silk 3 times fast.
Silk.
What cold drink?
Milk. Silk.
What cold drink?
Milk.
Silk.
What cold drink?
Water.
Alright. So silk 3 times fast.
Silk.
What does cold drink?
Water.
Why you say cold drink milk?
Silk.
What does cold drink?
Milk.
What cold drink? What cold drink?
Water.
I drink that long, you know.
Silk.
What does cold drink?
Milk.
You sure?
Silk.
What cold drink?
What's that?
You know the one.
Silk.
What does cold drink?
Milk.
Alright. So say it 3 times fast.
Silk.
What does cold drink?
Milk.
Silk.
What cold drink?
Milk.
You sure?
Yeah.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Yeah. No. No. No.
What does cold drink?
Cold drink water.
If I roast a lay up on the house, which way the egg go roll?
If I roast the leaf on the house top, which way the egg go roll?
Yeah.
Where the egg go roll, I would expect it to roll down.
Straight to the roll.
Yeah.
It stands still.
It stands still. Why you say it stands still?
Because sometimes I don't have nowhere to roll.
Repeat again?
If I roast a lay up on the house top, which way the egg go roll?
You're not gonna roll because it will stop flat.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit.
Alright.
Go roll down? No.
What do you think?
No,
Yeah, what do you think?
you can't tell you.
If I roast a leaf on the house top,
Yeah.
no see roast a leaf again.
Back way.
Back way? You sure?
Yeah.
Why you say back way?
Cause when he lay, he go back.
Rooster can't lay egg. What kind of question that?
Mr. Can't lay egg.
Alright. Argue one answer.
If he lay up on the house top,
Yeah, which way the egg go roll?
I don't think it will roll. You know one this.
Yo, I don't know the one there. Honestly, I don't know the one there.
Just say where go roll. Just say something.
I don't rooster now lay the egg pan fridge that man.
What egg?
Can't rooster that man.
Rooster no lay egg, a chicken.
Alright, so rooster can't lay egg. So yeah, rooster don't lay egg. Yeah.
The rooster. She use and catch me.
UFW that peaches.
What that?
You fucking peaches.
Jesus Christ, no! Which part I platform that? Which one I say?
Instagram page.
Alright, it's unruly God Sid. So unruly _ God _ Sid. Me have 3 accounts. You have Niche the Queen, you have Bad Bit Silly Chromas, and you have Silly Chromas.
Instagram, everything depends.
Yeah, Instagram.
Alright.